Hey guys, if you want to create a Facebook avatar like this, and I'll show you in this video.
Hey guys, Jeffrey Esmeralda here and welcome to my channel. Facebook just recently rolled out its avatar feature in the US. It's already been available in Australia, New Zealand, Europe, and Canada. You can use this avatar as your digital persona to express yourself more personally in comments, stories, and Messenger. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to make one. First, open your Facebook app. Once your app is open, look for the burger icon in the bottom right corner or the three horizontal lines, then press it. And once you see your profile, simply scroll down and look for the avatars option and click it. Once you see this message, just click next, then press get started. Now select your skin tone. Once ready, hit next. After that, you will see options for your hairstyle. You can filter by short, medium, or long. Now select your hairstyle and then click on the hair color icon to choose the color that you want. Now select your hair color. Then click on the face shape icon. Define and select the best face shape for you. Now once you're happy, find your complexion. Now click on the lines icon, then find and select the facial lines that you want. Once you're done, click on the eye shape icon and choose the best eye shape for you. Now click on the color icon and choose your eye color. Now click on the makeup icon to choose the best eyelashes for you. After that, click on the eyebrows icon and choose the best one that you like. Then click on the color icon to choose your eyebrows color. And once you're done, click on the nose icon and choose the best match for you. Next, click on the mouth icon and find and select the best match for you. After that, choose the color icon and choose the best color for your lips. I don't wear any lipstick, so I'm just gonna choose the default one. Next, click on the facial hair to choose your style. I don't have any beard or mustache, so I'm just gonna choose the clean shaven one. Next is the facial hair color, but I don't have any, so I won't have that option. Now let's jump to the body shape section and choose the best shape for you. Next, click on the outfit icon and choose your style. Once you're done choosing your outfit, head to the headwear and color. In this case, I won't choose any because I'm not wearing one. Just in case you need to change anything, you can always swipe to the left or swipe to the right and make your modification. And finally, once you made up your mind, just click on the check mark icon on the top right hand corner and Facebook will do the rest for you. It will automatically generate the other avatars for you that you can use for comments, stories, and even Messenger. From here, you can simply click next and then done, and voila! If you like this video, please comment below or subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my newest videos. Again, this is Jeffrey Esmeralda. Thank you for watching and see you next time.